Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make cereal milk slime. So the creator of this, I guess, is perakeetslime, and I'm not saying that this is the original slime recipe, but this is just my own recipe and somebody requested it, so I decided to do it. So I will be having a room tour, like a slime / craft room tour, a before and after, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah. So the first ingredient is glue all, and I'm just adding a lot of glue because I'm making a pretty big batch. Then we're gonna add some clear glue and some baby oil. And now some facial cleanser. And now we can mix it all together and add your activator, and that's pretty much it. You're also going to be needing some extra clear slime, so you can add it to the slime afterwards. So I really hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, hope you guys like the ASMR. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and my other YouTube channel.